Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for Fortnite players, but there are ways to address it. Follow these steps to help unlock your controller from drifting. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect it to a console or PC and check for any available updates through the settings menu. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drifting. Use a soft cloth and compressed air to clean around the analog sticks and buttons, ensuring there is no obstruction. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In Fortnite, go to the settings menu and adjust the dead zone settings for your controller. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the effects of drift. Step 4. Reset the controller. Resetting your controller can sometimes resolve drift issues. Look for a small reset button on the back of the controller and press it using a pin or paperclip. Step 5. Replace the analog sticks. If the drift persists, consider replacing the analog sticks. You can purchase replacement parts or follow online tutorials to guide you through the process. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Fortnite.